Hello. Solving trigonometric equation sin x is equal to 0. Sin x is equal to 0 when x is element of the interval negative 2 pi to 2 pi. So right here, we have to find solution to that equation, or you can imagine you finding the x-intercept of function y is equal to x. So y is equal to x, sin x, I'm sorry, and then we have to find values of x where y will be equal to 0. So some of you may already know how the graph of sin x looks like. Just quickly remind ourselves that this is the y-axis, this is the x, and I'm going to do two waves, one for negative side, so negative 2 pi to 0, and from 0 to 2 pi. So we have negative 2 pi, negative pi, 0, pi, and 2 pi. So whenever you see that the graph intersect x-axis, this is the root of the equation sin x is equal to 0. The period of the function is 2 pi radians, so this is where the entire cycle is completed. And every pi radians you intersect x-axis. So when they say find a solution on that interval, okay, when this interval is given, then my statement will be the list of all roots satisfying this equation. So you would just simply list like so 2 pi, and this would be the happy ending. However, many times they say find general solution. General solution. What that simply means is to find a formula, explicit expression that would take care of all roots of the equation should you extend your graph to the right and to the left without any limitation. So as you see, this is a sequence of terms that you repeat every pi radians. So if you were to write the following, x is equal to k pi, where k belongs to integer, in other words, represents any integer. So this will be the general solution for that equation, x is equal to k pi. Also, remember that this portion of the graph that falls above x-axis is always congruent. So every little hump is identical. The same works for the valleys, that portion of the graph that falls below x-axis. This is always congruent. This is important for us to understand, because every time you're working with sine wave or cosine wave, you will have to understand that. Later on, we will show you the solution of another trigonometric equation sine x is equal to 1, we'll do sine x is equal to half, negative half. So this is why we need to remember the congruency part. That is very, very important. So we'll finish the video for now, and we'll invite you to watch videos with another trigonometric equations. Thank you.